with the Giants. 103 for UP Yodhas, 104 for the Giants. 105 UP Yodhas, 106 is for the Giants. 107 UP Yodhas, 108 is for the Giants. 109 UP Yodhas, 110 up front with the Giants. 125 UP Yodhas, 126 Gujarat Giants. 127 UP, 128 Gujarat. 129 UP, 130 Gujarat. And 131 UP Yodhas, 132 is with the Giants. 133 UP Yodhas, 134 with the Giants. 135 UP, 136 Giants. 137 UP Yodhas, 138 Giants. 139 UP Yodhas, 1 crore 40 up front with the Giants, giving Gujarat a chance to think. At 1 crore 47, 148 Gujarat is back. 149 for UP at 1 crore 49. And 1 crore 50 with the Giants up front at 1 crore 50. 151 goes back to UP. Thinking, Gujarat is thinking. 157 with UP, 158, Gujarat comes back. The Giants seem to be out for now at 1 crore 60. Tamil Thalaivas, welcome. At 1 crore 60. On my far left, further back, 1 crore 60. With the Tamil Thalaivas, 161 goes to UP. 162 for the Thalaivas. 163 is for UP. 172 back with Tamil Thalaivas. 1 crore 73 say UP Yodhas. 1 crore 76 for the Tamil Thalaivas. 183 for UP Yodhas at 1 crore 83 lakh for UP Yodhas. 1 crore 84 for Tamil Thalaivas. 185 back with UP. Tamil Thalaivas say 1 crore 90 lakh. At 1 crore 90, still going for Sachin. 1 crore 91 with UP at 191. 2 crore it is. Tamil Thalaivas raises it to 2 at 2 crores. At 2 crore with the Tamil Thalaivas still ahead of everybody else. All through, last chance for anybody else coming in. 215 at 2 crore and 15 lakhs for the Tamil Thalaivas. At 2 crore and 15 lakh. Far back of the room with the Tamil Thalaivas, ahead of UP, ahead of Gujarat, ahead of any other team who'd like to come in at 2 crore 15 lakh and selling then to the Thalaivas at 2 crore and 15 lakh. It's yours at 2 crore 15. We will see though if Patna Pirates would like to exercise their FBM and they are giving it some serious consideration. No? Okay, no for the FBM for Patna Pirates. So the player will stay with the Tamil Thalaivas at 2 crore and 15 lakh for Sachin. Thank you so much.